Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use Google Cloud credits. All right. So if you have visited a video where we have created that says how to get Google Cloud credits, well, in here, we're going to talk about how to use these credits. All right. So first up, you can use it when you want to create an instance right here under Compute Engine. Okay. VM instances. Also, under Cloud Run, you can go ahead and deploy serverless applications right here under Cloud Run, okay? Also, in here under Cloud SQL, you can go ahead and set up new SQL or SQL databases right here for free with your credits, okay? Also, for example, when you go ahead over to a Marketplace right here, or even APIs and services, okay? In here under Marketplace, when you go ahead over and select an app from here, maybe Claude, right? Click on it, just for example, and you when you go ahead over to pricing. All right, another one may be a backup NDR. Right here. This is actually free. So let's go ahead and find another one. Maybe the Compute Engine. Hit enter. This one, go to pricing. When you go ahead and click a virtual machine, like so, as you can see, these are the pricing. For example, a general purpose machine in this region right here, maybe Hong Kong. All right, as you can see, per hour, it will cost you this one. You have C4 standard machine types as well. With these memories, for example, 720 right here, it will cost you 13.27 per hour. Okay. And also when you add a storage or even security, it will just add up in cost. So do keep that in mind. Okay. That's basically it. All right. So you can go ahead and play around with these options right here. And if you like it in the future, okay, maybe you wanted to upgrade to an actual plan or paid plan, you can go ahead over to billing, manage billing accounts. All right. Now you can go ahead and click on create an account. All right. All you have to do is just go ahead and create a new billing account right here. For example, sample billing account, country Philippines, hit on continue. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, just go ahead and add in your payment method. Click on change right here if you want to change it and hit on add. Okay. Once done, you can go ahead and click on submit and enable billing. All right. Now, if you want to successfully enable the billing or link it to a project, we do have a separate video for that, okay? Just go ahead and look it up on the channel, how to enable billing on Google Cloud Project, okay? Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.